Welcome back, ladies. How you all doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. Thank you all so much for the shares, for the likes, and every way you have supported me this far, either on my YouTube or Instagram or TikTok, every of my social media. Thank you all so much. So before we jump right into today's video, if today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. So for today's video, I'm going to be featuring a shapewear from a company called Shapellx. They are into all sorts of shapewears, and they have other things that can help your body to, to just cinch your waist in like under 3 seconds. You're going to look fabulous and amazing under those fabrics that you need that kind of shapewear for. I know some of my followers there, some of my subscribers and my friends, they're always like, Demi, you don't need shapewear, you've got the perfect shape. I've always said it, everybody has the perfect shape, but there are times that you will need a little bit of support. On those days they are a little bit bloating, or so for some reason the material called for you to wear something that will kind of give you more seamless look. Those are the reason why you need to have a shapewear collection. This shaper short is called the Airslim High Rise Body Sculpting Shorts. So we're going to start from the up to the bottom to the back for you to see the features of this sculpting shorts. This sculpting short is going to bring your waist size down to size 2 in a second. You can see that it has a high wide elastic waistband, and this is to ensure that it has a 360 coverage of your midsection. Also, it's going to give you that smooth and perfect silhouette without anybody noticing that you have a shapewear under your outfit. Moving on to another amazing feature about it, it has 4 stainless steel bones. This is going to prevent it from rolling up, and also it's going to give you extra support. Moving on to the short bottom, let's talk about the under of it right now. You will see that it has a zipper. That zipper is an easy access. In order for you, if you want to use the bathroom, you can zip it from the front to the back, and it's wide open for use the restroom. And going on to the other feature that I like about it, which we're going to put into practice and see if it's actually going to lift the butt, because there is no reason why you should wear a shaper short or shapewear and it's going to flatten your God-given assets. No, I am not in the market for that kind of shapewear. So we're going to try that out. The short bottom with a large leg band and anti-slip grip. So ladies, I'm going to try this sculpting short. I'm going to try it on under 2 dresses. Also, I'm going to try it on a top and a pants. The reason why I'm doing that is because sometimes you're wearing a top and you want your waist to be like, 2 sizes down, just like this shaper short claim that we are going to see. All right, ladies, you're going to see before and after, and you're going to see if it's actually going to, that route at the back of the short, it's there to uplift your God-given asset, your butt. So we're going to see if that is going to work. All right, ladies, please let me know your thoughts in the comment section about this video, and please do check the description box for Shapellx. All the links to their website is going to be in my description box, and let me know your thought about this video. Don't forget to use my discount code as well, which I am going to put at the bottom in the description box. All right, ladies, without further ado, let's jump right into the trying out of this sculpting short by Shapellx. So ladies, this is the top, and look at it without the shapewear. This is my tummy. Right now I have nothing under it aside from my underwear. So look at it. This is the side. So here is it. Let me move to the back a little bit so you all can see how it is looking. This is size small. I forgot to mention the size I'm wearing. I'm wearing size small. This is the back. Here is the front. I used the last one. It has 3 levels. The first, the second, the last is the one I use, and this is size small. It's actually, look at that. Look at how this place is inside. You can tell that it's going to work. Look at it. And it does lift my butt. Look at that. Yeah, now I'm going to put down the top for you to see the difference from before. Look at that. See? Where is the pounded yam? It's gone. Look at that. So here, this is the side, the other side, and the front again. Here is another material, and this is the front side, another side, the back. So here is the third outfit, and the reason why I'm doing different ones is because they all have different textures. All right, when I touched them, they have different texture, so that's what I feel on my body as well. So I believe this kind of material, they will call for a Shapewear. So this is the front one, the front side of this dress, pardon me, the front side of this dress. Look at this side. Look at the waist for now. This is before. This is the side. So here is after. This is the front. Look at the side. How that side it's look snatched. Like this is the side. It did lift my butt. Yes. Look at that. What do you think? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, ladies. But check out Shapellx website to see all other shapewear that they have on their website. And in order for you to shop additional discount from your purchase from their website, I'm going to be leaving the discount code in the description box. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.